Hey, what's up everyone, this is Mervin from Black Tech Malaysia. Now I know everybody is self-isolating right now, so I hope this video serves to inspire you a little bit, maybe towards your gear setup. Now this video is brought to you by Tegas Broadcasting. Just as a little bit of background, I myself is a photographer and a videographer if I'm not directing it for a little bit. And taking pictures is kind of like my habit, so I carry my camera around with me almost all the time anyways. So in doing so, I don't want to be seen carrying a bulky, heavy, all padded camera bag with me. What I want is something stylish, maybe something that can maybe blend into every situation I'm going. Maybe if I'm going to a party, it will fit. Or if I'm going to maybe a small dinner with my friends, it will fit as well. Maybe if I'm going out for a walk, it will fit as well. If I'm going work, maybe it will fit as well. Now I know a lot of camera bags out there are really ugly, at least to me. So it's least to say that I'm pretty excited when I see this product. Now this is the Herringbone Papa's Pocket. Now as you can see, this is a little bit different from your usual carry on the bag, school bag style camera bag. Now the first impression of this bag is that wow, it's very small. It's very small and it's pretty stylish looking, which is my first impression. Now one of the worries that jumps out is that maybe this bag might be a bit too small for my setup because I carry a full frame camera, maybe 1 or 2 lenses, maybe even 3 lenses with me, some spare batteries, maybe my card holders, my phone, my iPads. But you know what? This fits everything. Now just as a small run through of the bag itself, so you have a buckle in front, which no zippers, which is good. I hate camera bag with zippers. Why? Because they scratch your camera up, they scratch your lenses up, they just scratch everything up when you try to quickly pull in and out your stuff, you know. So you flip this through the back and you'll be greeted with this opening and also another slit here. Within this slit, you have another slit inside and also 2 pen holders. Now, this is where I keep one of my Apple Pencil, which fits perfectly, obviously, and where I keep my card holder. Also within this small slit is that there's another smaller slit which I can put more cards inside, or I can put maybe a USB adapter which allows me to quickly pull footage from my camera or images from my camera and then go into my iPad. Now going to the main opening here, so this bag comes with a divider inside already there. There's no velcro or anything, it just sits there. Now here is where I keep one of my camera anyways. Here with me is a Sony A7 series with 85mm, so obviously it fits nicely inside. And on the other side I can put smaller lenses. I carry a lot of like smaller manual lenses, which I love shooting with manual lenses. I put them in, I just chuck it in, and then everything's a go, and I just cover it up. Perfect. And for me, maybe this space is enough for another, maybe a shirt where you want to go out and shoot, and then you can have a change, or you can maybe put up your other soft items. So what I do is that since there's no smaller divider in here, what I do is I put one lens inside a pouch like this, and then I chuck it in and I put another lens on top of it. Now I know some people is gonna be like, oh no, this gonna be, you know, you can scratch it up. No, for me, I don't really mind. So that's what I do. So I'll be able to carry 3 lenses inside here without any problem. Now at the beginning of the video, I did mention that I bring an iPad with me and put it within this bag. Now where do I put this iPad? This is where the magic happens. Now here with me is the 11-inch iPad Pro with the Apple folio case, keyboard folio case. I'm able to slip this in like that. Boom. See? I can carry everything in one bag and I still be able to close it up. No problem. And I take this with me every day. Now let's continue with the tour. On each side of the bag there's another smaller pocket which you can put anything you want. It's not a water bottle carrier. It's like it's just another small pouch, a square pouch, so you can't really fit in a bottle. But what you can do is you can chuck maybe your SD card, your battery, maybe some other thing that you want to chuck it in, some other small thing. So at the back is another example of me being in touch with my feminine side. So here there's a slit here. It's non-expandable, so this is where I keep a lot of my tissues. Now you know how you go to restaurant and then after your meal you still have clean tissue lying around? That's when I pick up those tissues, make sure it's clean, and then I put it in this slit. So whenever I need a tissue in a pinch, I'll just pull it out from here. So yeah, this bag is my daily driver. I bring this with me like most days, almost every day. If you know me personally, you will see this bag with me all the time, and I can bring this to work, maybe meet up with a friend, go hang out, go restaurants, go wherever I need to go cafes. This will blend in really well. Even in a very formal situation, I'll still be able to maybe blend this bag in with my formal attire, and yeah. Overall, it's just a really good match with a lot of my outfits, matches my lifestyle as well. Even if you are not carrying maybe camera with you, this bag will be able to fit maybe some smaller books, obviously your iPads, or maybe if you have a Nintendo Switch, you'll be able to fit it in and bring it everywhere you go. So I hope this setup inspires you a little bit. I have everything I need: my cameras, my lens, my iPad, my pen, my business cards, my USB-C adapter, extra battery. What more can you ask for? So yeah, this is Mervin from Black Tech Malaysia. Stay tuned to Tegas Broadcasting for more news on more products to come. And remember, be clean, be safe, be hygienic, whatever, wash your hands often, shower often, and I hope you'll be safe. See you again.